Did you know Jamaican Patwa has deep roots in the Igbo language from Nigeria? Let's explore this fascinating connection. Jamaican Patwa, also known as Jamaican Creole, is a vibrant blend of English and West African languages like Igbo and Akan. During the transatlantic slave trade, enslaved Africans brought their languages to Jamaica, creating a unique linguistic fusion. Many Patwa words and grammatical features trace back to Igbo, preserving the legacy of the Igbo people. Patwa is more than a language. It's a vital link to Jamaica's African roots and a source of cultural pride. Words like unu, meaning you all in Patwa, show direct connections to Igbo origins. In music, literature, and everyday life, Patwa reinforces Jamaican identity and celebrates African heritage. The influence of Igbo heritage in Jamaican Patwa is a powerful reminder of the enduring impact of African culture in Jamaica.